Thank you guys for tuning into another video by Chefstiny. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. This is just going to be a quick and easy salsa verde. Here I am preparing to roast my ingredients. You don't have to do it this way. You can also boil the ingredients or use them raw. For me, roasting the ingredients adds a nice smoky flavor and I like it that way. For this entire recipe, I'm using half an onion, so at this point I'm going to roast half of it and then put the other half into the blender fresh. Add all of your ingredients to your blender, including your salt, pepper, and a little bit of olive oil, and then squeeze the entire lime in there. For this last part, you just want to pulse your salsa. You do not want to blend it for a long time, otherwise it'll come out liquidy.